everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So this video is a collab video, and you guys know this is one of my favorite videos to do, and it's with a girl here on YouTube called Shannon K. She's one of my very good friends. I haven't met her yet, but hopefully soon. We're both in New Jersey, I think. But anyway, it would be so cool to meet you, Shannon, one day. But today we wanted to do a collab, and we were going back and forth like, hey, what should we film about? Like, what's a good idea that will get people intrigued? And we came up with, well, actually she did. This is totally her idea. She and I both have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Kit palette. So we thought this would be a great collab to do. And so we decided to come up with about 3 looks, and then also do a review on this palette. So you get our opinions and a variety of different looks that you could do with this palette. So without further ado, if you want to hear my thoughts on this palette and see my looks, then just keep watching. I have my review, like pros and cons, on my computer, so I'm going to go over that. If you see me looking over there, that's why. I actually need to make this bigger because I cannot see it right now. Also, if my voice is a little bit raspy, it's because I was howling with my dogs. So anyway, what were we even talking about? Oh yeah, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Kit. So this comes with 18 beautiful colors. I'm going to open it up so you can take a look. I probably should have included swatches in this video, but I thought that might get a little messy. I'll try to find something on Google that will do a better job at that. But here it is right here. You can see I have been using the crap out of it. But look at all these colors. We got some mauve colors, some plums, these primary colors down here, I would say, and then these are all like neutral, except for that one, colors. And it's just really fun to play around. You can see I've pretty much dipped into every single shadow, or every single lip color, except for this one, and this one. So that's pretty cool. I have used a lot of this. I got this when Canoe came to visit in the summertime of last summer. So not this coming summer, but last summer. No, was it this summer? No, I can't remember. It was recent. So I got this not too long ago, and I reach for it every now and then. I do really like it because I get such a variety of colors. However, I'm not like a huge fan of lip kits, but I decided to give this one a go because there was a really nice orange color in there, and I don't have really any orange lipsticks, so I decided to just go for it. And Canoe wore it one day, and I was like, okay, that's it, I'm getting that palette. Like, it was instant. You also, by the way, get a little brush with it, and it does have a little spatula. Oh, the other thing you get with it is, oh, I don't know where mine is. Shoot. Oh, I don't know where mine is. But you get like a little tray that you could put a bunch of the lip product on and like mix together. Kind of like an artist palette. So that's really nice if you don't have that. I just typically use paper towel. I don't really... If you're a makeup artist, I can see where this would come into, you know, play. And the tray would. So... brush. I don't think this is the easiest way of applying this. The brush isn't like all that great. If you can see there, a lot of product, it builds up inside, and it's really hard to like clean off on a paper towel. I do not like this method of application. So that would be a con. I do that all the time. That would be a con. That I don't like this application. It's just annoying. I don't know how else you would do it, maybe with your finger, but then it's not as precise. So I like kind of don't like lip kits in that way. Let's talk about the actual formula. The formula is really beautiful. I'm wearing the colors, it's matte, and the longevity is amazing. Your lips have to be really like exfoliated and not dry, because otherwise the formula will come across as drying on your lips. So that's the only thing I would keep in mind, because yesterday I was wearing this at work, and only after 4 hours it like made my lips feel really dry, like especially on the inside, like kind of where the butthole look is. I also wanted to show you guys the lips colors that I'm wearing today. if I remember. I started off with this one right here, which is number 2. And then I layered it with something more mauve, which was number 5. So that's the combination that I have here. And yesterday I forgot to take a picture, but I think I did this one and this one yesterday, and it was a really pretty berry color. So that was really fun. And at this moment I will definitely include the pictures of the other looks, because I wore the red one day, so that was cool. Let's go back to my pro and cons. The shade range is awesome. You get neutrals, you get colors, you get mid-tones, and even shades that you can mix with, which I would say these primary colors are. And if you're wondering why there's a blue and a yellow, I believe it is so the blue can make it more cool toned and the yellow can make it more warm toned. And then you have a white and a black, which I'm never going to use, so I don't really know what you would do with that. Hopefully Shannon has some ideas, because I don't really know what that's for. Now I do have a pretty big con. This has no mirror, so that's kind of annoying. I feel like if it's a lipstick, like, there's quite a bit of neutrals in here that I would want to wear like every day, but I can't bring it in my purse, first of all because it's huge, second of all because there's no mirror, and that's just annoying. Because like when I'm putting it on, I do want to like look, I don't know, I just feel like a mirror would be really nice. And that's pretty much it actually with my review. I pretty much covered everything that I wanted to in this video. So thanks so much to Shannon for doing this collab with me. It was so much fun. I hope we do more collabs in the future, and thank you so much for tagging me in the tag that you did. I have that video filmed, so that will go up hopefully soon. I just gotta find time to edit. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to go check out Shannon's lip color selection and her review on this palette, because she's amazing and I love her, and go tell her I sent you. And that way you get 2 opinions on this palette. So, oh, one thing I did forget to mention before I go. This palette is on Ulta for $30-ish. So if you want it, you go get it, because now's the time, my friends. Now is the time. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.